Good afternoon to one and all present here. Let me ask you all a very important question. Does fashion play a very important role in our daily lives? Fashion has come a long way from the beginning of civilization. But nowadays, people see from two different points of view. Does it play a very important role in our lives or not such an important role? So today my class 9P is going to debate over the topic. Does fashion play an important role in the evolution of our civilization? The people who are speaking for the topic is Ms. Pranjal, who is a famous fashion designer. Ms. Nikita, who is MLA's daughter. Ms. Sulanjana, who is an ordinary college girl. The people who are speaking against the topic is Mr. Paran, who is a professor in his college. Ms. Shresha, who is a doctor. Mr. Vedha, who is a government official. So let's start the debate.
I live for fashion and I live because of fashion. Fashion plays an important role in every life, not only in my life. So, fashion shows the status of a person and the type of a person you are. So I think people should keep their heels held and standards high.
As she told, that fashion plays an important role, okay? But people choose fashion to show their position in the society. It actually leads to competition. And that's definitely not good. Sometimes it also leads to bad consequences. Then, as she is a fashion designer, out of 100 or out of 500 LP, only 2 or 3 would have such a thinking that fashion is like most important for them. But I think fashion is like okay, it's a small aspect of a life.
As the generation is growing faster, fashion is very important for everyone in the day-to-day life. So I think everyone needs fashion.
Mr. Vedha, do you have a response for that?
I wouldn't say everyone. You can't consider everyone to be the rich or even the middle class. Even the middle class can afford good clothes, but I wouldn't say the poor. They will wear whatever gets into their hands. I believe that.
Okay, so according to you, that poor people can't afford good clothes and stuff, but the government is organizing some NGOs and charity funds from which we donate our clothes to them. And it's not that only rich people were, born rich. So, even they worked hard and they got to a position where they can actually afford good clothes. And good clothes are always not very expensive. You can get it in local shops as well.
Yes, Ms. Shrestha.
Yeah, but clothes are important, but poor people don't actually think they're the only thing to live. They have more stuff to do, like looking after their families and their job and everything, and they don't have time to buy clothes and go through the latest fashion. Okay, you just think your maid. She means when you are wearing good clothes, even she feels like wearing those clothes. So even she can work hard and get those clothes.
Even she can work hard and get those clothes. But she doesn't only depend that fashion is most important for me. Right? If in your house there is a maid, she'll be poor. She has more other problems than only fashion. She'll not only think about this one topic.
In the 21st century, fashion is a really important aspect of life. So, even a poor person might feel like, even I wish I could have this type of clothes, or some shoes, or even I could wear. So even the person should work hard. For example, Okay, so example for an ordinary person. You go for a party and you wear dhoti, pajama and go. And the dress code is western wear. So how would you feel? Like,
See, everyone's got a mindset. They know where they're going. They know what the dress code. Okay. So you just can't give an example like in a party wearing a dhoti pajama. Okay.
Mr. Angela, what do you have to say?
Okay, see, as you said that fashion is not just high-end clothes. Fashion is actually what you wear and what you think of yourself. And it actually expresses what kind of a person you are. So fashion is not always, models walking on the ramp and all that.
And because of fashion only, you know that where should you wear what kind of clothes.
I don't agree that. It's not because of fashion you know where to wear what kind of clothes. It's because of your mind because of mind you know where you want to wear what kind of clothes.
Okay, fine. People, from the very beginning, people have made this culture that you're going to wear dhoti pajama for a puja, you're going to wear western clothes for a party or office. So, it's from the very beginning. So, it has helped a lot in civilization and it is very important as well. So, you can't say it's not important because if it's not important, then why are you dressed in such a attire over here right now?
I do agree that people see you on the basis of your appearance and fashion, but it's not a good thing. If there's more stuff to see than your appearance, there's more to see the way they behave and everything.
first impression is the last impression. So suppose you get a job offer or you go for a job interview, the judges or the people, they'll judge you on the basis of your clothes too. So fashion is important.
I'm not saying we don't dress well for our interviews. Even when we went for our interviews, we dressed well. And we just want to say that we're not going to dress like so formally everywhere. So you don't need to be fashionable all the time.
Fashion can be simple too.
So it's just that, how did you get the sense of wearing those type of clothes in which situation? It's just because of fashion. If you know fashion, you can wear those clothes.
Okay. How did fashion improve? Machines, designs, machines. Okay. So how can you make a machine? Science. Correct.
Science and technology goes hand in hand.
Okay. It also goes hand in hand. But when fashion developed, it needed machines. You cannot stitch so many clothes for so many people. You have to make machines so it can make in a good quantity.
Okay, you need machines, we agree, but then it is not impossible to stitch for people.
There are how many people in the country?
Okay. Okay, fine. So you need a lot of machines too. That's what she said, that fashion goes hand in hand with technology. So you can't deny the fact that fashion is not important.
As I am saying, fashion is just a small aspect because it's not only fashion because of which the economy of the country increased. Okay, that fashion is just a small aspect. It's the mindset of the people, how people think, and how people
Fashion is being yourself.
As you said, fashion is being yourself. Why can't people, ordinary people, wear whatever they want to wear? Why is there many restrictions? Like a person, he wears something. Some person, another mindset, thinks that why is he wearing like this?
It depends on your thinking. If you think different, like fashion is good, it's not bad.
I believe that fashion creates a position for a person in the society. Fashion discriminates people from one another. People are using fashion as a weapon to discriminate people from one another.
Fashion also builds your personality.
Yeah, so I would like to come to the conclusion. Whatever a person wears is his or her thinking. It's his or her wish. So it depends on themselves what they think about themselves. So they should just think about themselves and not about other people.
Yeah, so even I would want to say that fashion actually tells you who you are and what kind of person you are. So, you know, it is not just clothes and high-end things.
So everyone, we have come to the conclusion from this debate that in some ways fashion plays a very important role in our lives, while in some ways it's just a small aspect. We can live without it. So that's the conclusion we have reached. Thank you.
I have a question for you. 1990, that was well thought and well discussed. Now my question is, anyone can answer, it's an open question. Supposing there is a child in your class who is extremely fashionable, is it a mandatory thing that since she is fashionable, she will have the maximum number of friends? Will it make her most popular? Is there any connection, please? What do you think?
She would be the most popular among all, but then it's just the way she wants to present herself to the world. So fashion is the way you want to show the world, you know, your personality and all that stuff. So it doesn't think, you know, with popularity or something. It's just people, if they like your clothing, then obviously they will judge you and they will want to be your friend.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Can we have 9C on stage now, please?